Imagine if minutes from now you could create completely done-for-you sites and money-making sales funnels with the push of a button. Better yet, today you could start affiliate offers or even your own products to build your list quickly at the same time. Or you can create stunning SEO-optimized affiliate niche websites with ease. Or why not do it all? Profit Funnelz, a brand new software that is insanely easy to use and insanely fast too. Lets you create anything and everything you imagine within minutes at most. Finally, you can have high-converting professional websites and sales funnels like the gurus do, without having to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars and waste countless hours creating any of it. The best part? Our software is simple to use now and secure your early bird copy today. One-time pricing is only available until the countdown timer hits 0. So grab your copy of Profit Funnelz right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and definitely your life to the next level. If making money online is your desire, on my channel here I review products and cloud-based products, actually software and training courses that generally help you do exactly that. And today I have another blockbuster amazing product called Profit Funnelz. Profit Funnelz is going live on the 19th of April 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. Depending on your time factor or zone, you will be able to make the conversion, but definitely if it's New York time, it's going to be 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in a nutshell, Profit Funnelz is a software that is going to help you create websites and done-for-you funnels. Of course, websites that can be in any niche of your choice, and this website that is built here and of course the done-for-you funnels, you can sell to clients at your own price and keep them. It's like giving you a business in a box, creating websites, professional websites, and of course done for you sales funnels. I mean, this is crazy, but this is exactly what this product is all about. And if this is going to be one that you're going to need, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. This very product is going live and is being launched by the super affiliate Mike McKay and his partner Radu. Now, like I told you, it's a crazy one that will help you make money instantly starting from today if you pick up a copy for yourself. And of course, if you stick with me, I will definitely show you through the sales page, which is exactly where we are right now, show you through the amazing bonuses that I have coined out for you as long as Profit Funnelz is concerned, and of course take you to the software that training area, the dashboard which I received from the vendor and producer of this very product. And of course I will give you also a demo video of how this very product works so that you can see the product in action. With that said, let us review my amazing very bonus page. If you click that link in my description area, it will bring you to this bonus page, and you can use this red link top here and of course any of these yellow links scattered all over this page to pick up a copy. When you do, it will definitely take you to the very sales page where you are going to have some degree of discount on this very front end. Okay, and that is basically what this very one is all about, and it will be honorable if you pick it up as soon as possible. Well, that's about how we go on that. And then let us see the pricing. This is what the product is all about. Quick way to create offers with zero tech skills and start selling immediately. 20 done for you built-in products that you can sell from day one, and utilize 3 different ways to generate full page funnels for any of their best selling products. Instantly generate affiliate pages, sales pages, and JV pages, and of course more. And built in drag and drop editor lets you create killer pages, and of course sell any of the best sellers using their jaw-dropping templates. And of course nothing is configured, it's all done for you. Perfect for affiliates, e-com sellers, offline, everyone. 100% newbie-friendly, easy to use software, and of course instantly export to your website or use Profit Funnelz as your own web host. This shortcut to online success will get you immediate results. This is what the creator says, and from his antecedents and from all the products that I have reviewed for him, I think I have never gotten not even a single refund, and all the feedbacks are always positive. So it's another one of those products from Mike McKay, and you can be rest assured that this will definitely do what he says it's going to do. And here are the prices. The front end goes for $17 with a discount coupon that you're going to find on this very page. When you come here, this is the coupon. You will be able to have some degree of discounts for this one, okay? And that will make this product go for, instead of $17, for $15. Now, the upsell number 1, Profit Funnels Pro, which is the unlimited version of this front end, which is basically advisable that you get, because definitely it's going to complement and take care of any shortcomings on the front end. This is the Pro version, and that's the unlimited version. It goes for $26, no much difference. Now you have the upsell number 2, Profit Funnel Enterprise, goes for $36.93, and this is the enterprise version. Upsell number 3, Profit Funnels Done For You, goes for $29. Everything is basically done for you. Upsell number 4, Profit Reseller, goes for $97, which means you can resell this product and sell it at your own price, even probably change name and use it for any other purpose and sell at your own price and keep the profits across the entire funnel. And here you have the upsell number 5, Profit Funnels IMX Bundle. It goes for $29, okay? And here are the amazing benefits which you are going to read at your convenience. I will upload this very video immediately after the review on the front end and of course the members area of this very one, okay? With that said, let us see the amazing benefits and all the bonuses that I have for you. Here is my first bonus, which is 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, automation system and hacks that will definitely put you out there and you begin to make money as early as possible. Now, my bonus number 2 will be how to create free professional websites. As you can see, it helps you increase the knowledge you have using Profit Funnels, which is all about creating websites and done-for-you funnels. This very hack is going to teach you even how to make use of them and maximize the capabilities you have with Profit Funnels. So it's a crazy little complementary bonus that is in tandem with the Profit Funnels as a product. So that's crazy. Now my bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast, which is another thing, because one thing is to have traffic, the other thing is to be able to convert the traffic, which is where the money comes. Now my bonus number 4 will be how to get traffic, even targeted traffic, to any link of your choice or to any of your choice, maybe affiliate links, maybe squeeze pages, whatever link that you have out there, thank you pages, landing pages. This very hack is going to teach you how to derive and drive amazing targeted traffic and any other kind of traffic into such a link or offer of your choice that translates to really getting the clicks that you need to make money. Now my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this product will be yours, which you will be able to access using this very link, number 5 of mine, and of course that will take you to the bonus, to the members area where you get exactly the copies. When you do, like I told you, click the link below on my description area. It will bring you to this bonus page. When you use any of these links, yellow links and buttons, it will take you to the sales page where you are going to use this link to claim the discount. Okay, now when you do, under your purchase history, you will definitely, that is in my Warrior Plus account, under your purchase history, you will find a page that is going to give you, which is going to look exactly like this, and you will have 2 buttons. Okay, the page is going to look like this. You have 2 buttons. This one gives you access to Profit Funnels, and here you have the blue one giving you access to this crazy and amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Okay, these are bonuses that nobody else will give you as long as this product is concerned. Okay, and with that said, let us actually take a look and see if we can walk through the members area, the software itself. This is the software itself, and here you have new project. In case you want to create new websites or done for you funnels, this is how you're going to do. In order not to waste time because of your time, I decided that I'm going to attach the very demo video of this product in action right after this very very page so that you see exactly how that works. When we come back from there, we will conclude with the sales page, okay?
This is a page built with Profit Funnels. Now, you may think, oh my god, you have all of those menus, you have all of these buttons, this must be a difficult product. What if I told you all of this was done with drag and drop simplicity? And then you can either export it to your own website with a single click, or post it on Profit Funnels and use us as your website host. So let's dive right in. Profit Funnels has tens of templates that you can go through and edit with drag and drop simplicity, including several of our very own sales pages that allow you to sell our products as if they were yours. So let's just go with one of these templates. Let's go with this one. Welcome to Profit Funnels. So we end up on this page, which has the template we've just built. Now, right here you can see that you can select anything you want and then edit it exactly how you need to. And we have so many more features. From completely editing the text and background of the text, the shadow, the border, anything that a real designer would do, you can do with drag and drop in Profit Funnels. What's more, you have multiple elements that you can add and play around with in Profit Funnels that automatically convert to code. Now, the best thing about Profit Funnels is that it allows you to create full funnels. So from this page right here, we can create new pages and then send people from this landing page over to, say, an upgrade or anything else you need. Once you're done, this here is your domain where the website has been posted, or you can add your very own branded domain. So you can post your work with Profit Funnels directly onto your own website. It's as easy as that. And now if we click on save right here and then preview to see our newly made website, we can see that it has all of the changes we've just done. Welcome to Profit Funnels. This is awesome. And with our inbuilt training that teaches you how to monetize Profit Funnels and how to use it at its maximum capacity, this product is a no-brainer. So thank you very much for checking out this demo, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and definitely your life to the next level. This is the sales page which you will have access to at your convenience when you eventually pick up this one using the link on my description area. Here you will be able to find all these buttons will give you access to my Water Plus account where you buy this, and it has 3 basic steps. Just log into their cloud-based platform and pick from the dozens of inbuilt templates. And step 2 will be customize through drag and drop editor. Lets you change literally anything you want without ever touching any line of code. You don't have to codify anything, so it's a drag and drop, simple creation capacity. That's what you have here. Bonus, and step number 3, will be one-click publish. Gets you your sales funnel or website live in the hosting of Profit Funnel software. Okay, so it's a crazy one, and everything is already optimized for insanely fast loading and number 1 SEO ranking and mobile traffic. So that's basically what you have. And here are the amazing 6-figure and 7-figure marketers who are reviewing and giving testimonials to the productivity of these Profit Funnels. Here you have the Upsell, my man, 6-figure marketer. You have Venkata Ramana, you have Buying, you have Daniel Adetunji, 6-figure email marketer, and all these guys are giving testimonies as to the productivity of these very Profit Funnels. And when those guys are giving testimonials about a project or product, definitely you have to listen, because it means that it actually works. So that's basically what we have there, and at your convenience, these are further tons of testimonials, that you have as long as this one goes. And of course, at your convenience, you'll be able to access all this. These are all the pages that you can build and create with this very wonderful landing pages, quiz pages, sales pages, everything you can do with this one. This is basically giving you business in a box, like I said before, and all these are testimonials to the authenticity of this very one, and you can use this information to your own advantage if you need making up your mind. And with that said, you can access this when you eventually use the link on my bonus page that will bring you here so that you will be able to access this and purchase a product for yourself. When you do, you will have a business in a box. Now, this is where we end this one. I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel or you are a returning customer, this is the time you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye.